First of all, an outstanding American, somebody who's been a great friend and advisor to me, General Ray Odierno, the incoming Army Chief of Staff, is here. We were just reminiscing a little bit. I've known Ken since we were both running for the Senate together and became the only two incoming Democrats in our Senate class. Pete Rouse remembers this. We've got some outstanding members of Congress who are here. Bob Menendez, Cory Booker, Congressman John Runyon, Congressman Donald Norcross, and incoming Congress.
And that the incoming government, a conservative government, is going to invoke Article 50 and begin the process of negotiations.
And in the meantime, Michelle has had a chance to greet the incoming First Lady, and we had an excellent conversation with her as well.
If there's anything you can do to either reassure them or shield that information from the incoming Trump administration, considering his stance on immigration.
The U.S. presidency, as I've been traveling, I think the main reflection I have and the main advice that I give to the incoming president is the United States really is an indispensable nation in our world order.